Alright guys, so welcome again to my channel. Today we're gonna be looking at one of the Pulte Homes construction. Perfect for new families, family homes, really comfy for everybody. We're gonna take a look at here at the Hanover Model. Okay, great options, great space. Let's take a look real quick. Hello guys, welcome to Cassia Estates, 3010 Hibiscus Avenue, Lauderdale Lakes. We're gonna take a look at the Hanover Model, starting at $578,000, 4 beds, 2 baths, 2 garage spaces, 1850 square feet. The Hanover offers a flexible floor plan with versatile living spaces. The open concept throughout the gardening area and kitchen. Spacious owner's suite with walk-in closet and covered landing offer families. Perfect home for you and your kids. Step inside into this home to see the live-tested home designs with more usable space where you want it most, so that you live the way you want to live. Let's take a look at this, guys. Enjoy the tour. Okay guys, so how do you like the tour? Awesome, right? Really spacious. Hope you guys like everything you saw on that tour. Hope you guys like this video. Remember guys, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful community or any other communities in that fact, just please don't hesitate to call me. Just reach out to me, call me, email me, text me, subscribe to this channel, just comment in the section down below, just whatever you guys need, whatever you guys feel comfortable doing to reach out to me, just go ahead and do it, okay guys? Welcome to the Hanover Model. I will see you guys in the next video.